Okay, friends, this is done as much as I'm going to do. It's gonna go back to the guy. The customer's going to, whoever's going to do it, the body man or his painter or whomever. But this is done. This hood, it's got about maybe 3.5, close to 4 hours of work in it to fix all the rot and the rust. But it's ready to go. Sure beats buying a new one, that's for sure. Paint's got to dry a little bit more, but it's ready to go. Get it on out of the way. You can go ahead and do it though. There we have it. Finished. Be good.